Hi, Nick Tuck here from Oz Property and welcome to 38A 4th Avenue at Semaphore Park. It's a beautiful courtyard home and we are located just 500 metres from the foreshore on the beach. Let's take a look. This home was built in 2015, so it's very modern throughout. It offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and 2 living areas. We've got a lovely open plan area at the back here and we've got a low maintenance garden and entertainment area to the rear. Location wise, very close to West Lakes, Semaphore and Port Adelaide.